Hey everyone, hope you're fine and doing well. In my today's video, I will tell you about the sound and speaker problem in your device OnePlus 8. Before starting the video, if you are new to my channel, do subscribe and press the bell icon so you can get new and updated videos. Now let's move to the topic. If in your one device OnePlus 8 you are having issues related to the sound or a speaker, you can solve this by the method as I am showing in this video. So follow the steps and watch complete video and learn how you can solve the sound and speaker problem in your device OnePlus 8. Let's watch it.